Well, besides the jltv, the Humvee replacement, I've got a 1995 Ford Explorer that was given to me by my good friends Steve Cansamilia and Ron Cansamilia. Thank you, guys. It needed 2 heads. I put 2 new heads. I serviced the AC, and this puppy is running cherry. I've done a little updates. Got a nice little stereo there. And this baby is super clean. And it'll blast. It's got a very powerful amplifier. I can't even turn it all the way up. It'll blare me out. And it's I got the 12 volt 24 volt jumper hookup here, since sometimes I have to jump start the heavy machines. And I've got a 120 converter that'll run a nice sized refrigerator in the back over here. So I'm very happy with it. I don't have to drive this thing downtown anymore. Now I can drive my super sweet clean 95 Ford Explorer. No keys needed. It's got a combination entry system. It's got 2 alarm systems. And so I'm loving it. Thank you, Steve. Thank you, Ron. I'm as happy as that camel on a Wednesday